All right, it's time for some more real estate tips slash education from Team Ruggles at Atlanta Communities. All right. Basically, if you have any questions about real estate or want some real estate education, you can go to my YouTube channel, www.youtube.com/ at Eric Ruggles. The playlist is going to be Team Ruggles, Atlanta Communities. And there's some other playlists on there, but that's the one you want if you're looking at the real estate. All right. Again, it's Team Ruggles, Atlanta Communities, serving Bartow, Floyd, and Gordon counties. And we are going to get to our topic is going to be capital gains. All right, this is a big question that a lot of sellers ask. Hey, what's going to happen to the money that I make off the sale? Okay, so there's a simple explanation of how capital gains are work and how you can get your money without losing any of it. Capital gains in real estate. All right, so capital gains are the profit you make when you sell real estate for more than you paid. Sale price minus the cost equals your capital gain. All right, what counts as cost? Purchase price, buying, closing costs, major improvements, and then of course selling costs, agent commissions, fees, and then of course if you have any remaining mortgage, that would be in there too. All right. So let's say the buy price is $300,000. Your improvements are $20,000. All right. You sell the property for $400,000. That gives you a capital gains of $80,000. All right. Short term, you only owned it 1 year or less. You're going to get taxed as regular income. Long term, owned over 1 year, it's lower tax rates, and of course, if you have lived in the home for at least 2 of the last 5 years, all right, you are going to be exempt, all right, from your capital gains tax. $250,000 exclusion for a single and $500,000 exclusion for married, and that is 2 years in the property. So rental properties are taxed differently. Depreciation reduces taxes yearly, and of course, depreciation recapture may apply when you're sold or when you sell the property. So how can we regain the capital gains? All right, a 1031 exchange rollover into another home purchase. All right, so if it's been less than 2 years and you sell your home, and let's say you have $80,000 of capital gains, if you roll that over into another purchase of a home, you can roll over the whole $80,000. Primary residence conversion. Rent 3 to 5 years, live in it for 2+ years. Then you can sell it and keep the capital gains. Timing sales strategically. If your income drops, your capital gains tax rate can drop with it. For example, retirement. So you offset with capital losses. All right, so those are some of the ways that you can capture that money that you make. Key takeaways. All right, capital gains taxes depends on how long you own the property, 2 years, how you use the property, rental, personal. All right, of course, if you've lived in it 2 of the last 5 years, you're good, and how well you track the costs, meaning that basically depreciation as well as maybe even a lower income can reduce the capital gains or the lower tax that you would get. All right, so those are some things. So capital gains tax, if you sell your home, you've lived in it 2+ years, you're single. All right, if you're single, you get $250. If you're married, $500,000 up to that on capital gains. So real estate tips. Hope you enjoyed this capital gains information. Team Ruggles, Atlanta Communities, serving Bartow, Floyd, and Gordon counties in Georgia. 770-240-2000 is the phone number. It's a directory. You can use my name, Eric Ruggles, or my wife's name, Kim Ruggles. Contact us, and we would love to answer any real estate questions that you have in order to help you. That's what it's all about. It's helping people get their dreams, have their goals achieved as far as real estate goes. Again, if you want more information, you can hit my YouTube channel, www.youtube.com/@EricRuggles, playlist Team Ruggles Atlanta Communities. If you're there, please join, take notification, and you'll see other videos that come out from my channel as well as the real estate. I appreciate all the people that have subscribed to my channel and look forward to giving you some more information about real estate in my next episode. Thank you.